my dear students, good morning. Today we are going to see 6th standard maths exercise 1.2. Already we saw the two Romans in the previous class. Now we are going to see third Roman. See here, of the numbers, here the three numbers are given. Which one is the largest and which one is the smallest? See here the three numbers are given. From these number, which is the largest number, which is the smallest number, we have to find. See here we have 10 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 digits here we have. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See here, this is 10 digit number, this is 9 digit number, this is 8 digit number. Which one is the largest? Yes, this 10 digit number is the largest number. Then, which is the smallest number? See here, now we read this number, ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore, 10 crore, 100 crore. Here 138 crore, 67 lakh, 89,215. Next, from these numbers, which is the smallest number? Here 8 digits is the smallest number. 9 and 10 are the greater than 8 digits. So this is the smallest number. See here, what is that number? Now we read this number, 8 crore, 67 lakh, 20,560. This is the smallest number. Next, arrange the following numbers in descending order. See here, 5 numbers are given. Now we arrange these 5 numbers in descending order. What is descending order? Already you studied in 6th standard. Descending order means we write the number greatest to smallest. See here 5 numbers are given. If first number, this is the first number, here we have 6 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also we have 5 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, from these numbers, the first highest number is, greatest number is, that is 1,28,435. Next we check the next number. That is, here we have 3 numbers or 5 digit number. See, from these 3 numbers, this one. From these 3 numbers, here 1. Here the highest place value is 1, here 2, here also 2. So this is smallest. So we compare these 2 numbers, here 1, here 5. So from these 2 numbers, this is the greatest number. That is 25,840. Then 21,354. Then 10,835. Then this is 4 digit number, this is the least number. See here 5 numbers are given. One of the number is 6 digits, so that is the highest number. First you write that number. Then here 3 numbers are 5 digit number. From these 3 numbers, we check the greatest place value. Which one is the greatest number? That number you have to write in second number. Here this is the greatest number. After this, 21,354 is the greatest number. After 10,835 is the greatest number. Then finally 6,348. Then see the fifth sum. Rajan writes here 3 digits number using the digits 4, 7 and 9. What are the possible numbers he can write? See in the question, what are the digits given? 4, 7 and 9. See, we write the digit as it is, that is 479. First you keep 4 as it is, 7, 9. This is first 3 digit number, that is 479. Next you keep the 4 as it is. Just you interchange these 2 numbers. This 9 comes to second, this 7 comes to unit place, this 9 comes to tens place. So this 4 you keep as it is. Just you interchange these 2 numbers, 9, 7, that is 497. Next we take 9 as the first number. See, first here we write 9 as the first number. So 9 you write, then after 7, 4. That is 974. Then the next number, this 9 you keep as it is. Just you interchange these two numbers. That is 4 comes to 10's place, 7 comes to 1's place. That is 947. See, next one is, say we take 7 as the first number. Then you write the remaining two numbers, 9, 4. That is 794. Again you keep this 7 as it is. Just you interchange this 4 and 9. That is it comes 749. This is the possible order to write using the 3 digits. That is 479. This 4 you keep as it is, interchange the numbers. Then we take 9 as the first number. Just you write the other two numbers. Then again 9 as the first number. Just you interchange these two numbers. Then 7 as the first number, you write the remaining numbers. Again 7 as you keep the 7 as first number. Just you interchange these two numbers. This is the possible order to write these 4 digits. The password to access my ATM card includes the digits 9, 4, 6 and 8. It is the smallest 4-digit even number. Find the password of my ATM card. Here the 4 digits is given 9, 4, 6, 8. From this number we form the smallest even number. How to find the smallest number first? See, from this number first we find smallest number. How to write smallest number? First we write the small number. From this first we write small digit. Which is the small digit? 4. Then after 4, 6. Then after 6, 8. Then after 8, 9. This is the smallest number formed by this number. See, that is 4, 6, 8, 9 is the odd number. But the ATM password is smallest 4-digit even number. See here from this number we find the smallest number, but that smallest number is an odd number. So from using this number we find the smallest even number. Here this 4, 6, this 89 you write 98. This is the smallest 4-digit even number. That is smallest even number is 4, 6, 9 and 8 by using these numbers. Next, the postal index number consists 6 digits. The first 3 digits given 6, 3 and 1. Make the largest and smallest postal index number by using the digits 0, 3 and 6 only once. Now here the first 3 digits given, that is 631. Next we form the smallest and greatest number using the remaining 3 digits. See here first you write 631. First we find the largest postal index number. First you write the first 3-digit number we cannot change. So 631 you write as it is. Now the remaining 3 digits we have to form largest number. First 631 you write 036. Here 6 is the greater number. So you write first. Then after 6, 3, then 0. This is the largest postal index number. Then we form a smallest postal index number. The first 3 digits as it is, you write as it is 631. From this number we form the smallest number. 0 is the smallest number. So first write 0. Then after 0, 3. Then after 3, 6. This is the smallest postal index number. Next we see the 5th sum. 5th sum is missing, so now I write here. See the 5th sum. Write any 8-digit number with 6 in 10 lakhs place, 9 in 10,000's place. Here you write any number. The number have 6 digit. But one condition is given. In that 10 lakhs place, the number in 6. In that 10,000's place we have the number 9. Then the remaining numbers you can write any number. See here Now here I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digit number. So here I write the number 8. This is not a number. Just here write the digit. Number of digit I write. Then you write the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Now we write the number. 8 digit number. Listen carefully. Here 6 in 10 lakhs place. This is the 10 lakhs place. Here you write 6. Then 9 in 10,000 place. Here this is the 10,000 place. Here you write 9. Then the remaining places you write any number. Here I write 5, 7, 3, 2, 7, 4. Any number you write. Like this one more number we can write. We have to write. Listen. See 6 in the 10 lakhs place. So again 6 in the 10 lakhs place. 9 in the 10,000 place. Then the remaining numbers you can write any number. Here I write 3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 5. Any number you can write. So similarly we can form many numbers using these conditions. See the ninth sum. The heights in meters of the mountain in Tamil Nadu are as follows. Here mountains given, then the height of the mountain is given. First one is Tottapetta. So what is the height in Tottapetta? 2637. Mahendragiri 1647. Anaimudi 2695 meter. Vellangiri 1778 meter. Now here we have to find this question. Which is the highest mountain listed above? See here. From these numbers, which is the highest number? See here we have 1, 2, 1, 2. Here these two number have 2. From these two number, here 2695, here 2637. So 2695 is the greatest number. So 2695 is the Anaimudi's height. That is, the highest mountain is Anaimudi. See, order the second one. Order the mountains from the highest to lowest. See, in the tabular column, 2695 is the highest meter. Then after 2695, 2637. Then 1778. Then 1647. Then the third question is, find the difference between Anaimudi and Mahendragiri. Here we have to find the difference between Anaimudi and Mahendragiri. See, the height of Anaimudi is 2695 meter. The height of Mahendragiri is 1647 meter. Now here we have to find the difference. Difference means we subtract these two numbers. Here 5 minus 7 we cannot subtract. So we borrow from the nearest number. This number it comes 8. It comes 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 minus 6 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. That is the difference between the Anaimudi and Mahendragiri is 1048 meter. Which list of numbers is in order from the smallest to the largest? Here the 4 options is given. Now we check each option. You find the answer. See the first one, 1468. That is the smaller number, okay. Then 1486, then 1484. Here these two numbers, 1486 is the greater number, so this is wrong. Then here from this number, 2435 is the first greatest number, smallest to largest. Here this 2235 is the smallest number, but here first given 2345, so this also wrong. Then we check the third sum, C option. 1,34,205 is given. This is the from these two numbers, this is the smallest. Then 1,34,208. So greatest from this number, this is the greatest number. Then 1,54,203. So this option C is given correctly. That is smallest to greatest. So this is the answer. The Arabian Sea has an area of 14,91,000 square miles. This area lies between two numbers. Here the 4 options are given. See here 14,91,000 lies between 14 lakhs 89,000 and 14 lakhs 92,000. 91 lies between 89 and 92. 89 in between the numbers and 89 and 92 is 91. So this 14 lakh 91 lies between 14 lakh 89,000 and 14 lakh 92,000. Next, see the 12th question. The chart below shows the number of newspapers sold as per Indian Readership Survey in 2018. Which could be the missing number in the table? See here, name of the newspaper given, ranking given, sold in lakhs. See, the newspaper A sold 70 lakhs, newspaper B sold 50 lakhs. Here we have to find newspaper C, how much newspaper C sold. Then D is given 10 lakhs. See here we have to find the newspaper C, how much sold in 2018. See, what is the newspaper B? Sold in 50 lakhs. The newspaper D sold 10 lakhs. Here the option is given, that is 8, 52, 77, then 26. Listen carefully. Here B is 50 and D is 10. So this C lies between 50 and 10. C, the newspaper C lies between 50 and 10. See here, first we take 8, the option 8. 8 is less than the newspaper D. So this is wrong. Then the option B is 52. 52 is the greater than 50, that is the number of newspapers sold in B is 50 lakhs only, but here 52 is greater than B, so we won't take. Then C is 77, 77 also greatest, so these options are not. Then here the option D is 26. This 26 lies between 50 and 10, so the answer is 26. That is, the newspaper C sold 26 lakhs in 2018.